Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily show or hide your caller ID on iPhone 16e. So first, what we need to do is open settings. Now we need to scroll down until we see apps. And now scroll down until we see phone. Now we need to scroll down until we see calls right here. And here you have show my caller ID. And now it's being shown to other people, but if we turn it off, now it's hidden. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.